Alright, so today we'll be installing an aftermarket exhaust on my 2021 KX100. Got our new pipes here. We got the big part of the exhaust, to the exhaust I should say. And we got the FMF shorty silencer. That'll go on the back. So the next part is we got to get these bolts out of the side panel. I got a correct socket here, so let's get them out. There's only one more bolt that holds it in, so I'll get that out here now. And that should pop right off. Let's get something in there. Right now this whole panel should come right off. And that exposes the side to where our stock exhaust is here. Which is a bit muddy. Come with this little bag of bolts, some decals, some like silencer, rubber gaskets, some new bolts, a little spacer, some decals. Alright, 2 bolts here, need to come off. There's some silencer things right there. It should just pop off. The whole thing pops, yeah. There's one more here. That just comes all loose. As you can see, we got it off. Alright, so now it just comes off. Has that gasket seal type thing. Just takes some twisting to get it off. And there it goes. That's the stock exhaust. See how long it is compared to the shorty? So, yep. Now we gotta get this panel here off. There's that panel off. Now we just gotta take this air intake plastic piece that feed the radiator off, so that way we can get the bolt back in here. That should just come right off. Goes with that. Now we can get to that bolt. Alright, so now we gotta get these springs off. So be very careful with them. Oh, bike's going down. Alright, there's one. Alright, now I'm gonna put vice grips on it. Alright, so there's the springs. That's all that should hold that on. And maybe that bolt on the other side. So let's get that off. We got this bolt over here now. Put it on there very tight. So that's just a bolt. So she's come off now. There she is. Stock can or whatever you want to call that is off. Big fat pipe. Alright, so I shoved a rag in there so no dirt can get in. But that just feeds right up into there. Get a hole with there. Alright, I'll get back with you when I get in. Alright, so I got it up in there. Now we just gotta put the springs on. I'll go over to the other side. You can see we got it right where the bolt hole is. It goes right along the edge. Alright, well, let's get that bolt in there. Springs back up in here. Probably should get the harder one first. I think it's this one. Springs are installed. See them up in there. I'd hold that right in there nice and snug. It's not the nicest weather out. Alright, now it's time to get the shorty installed off the nice new chrome pipe. Alright, we're putting this radiator guard back on to help us have the right socket. And the other bolt's a plastic panel that goes on the side. So what we did here is the shorty pipe slid into it went over this pipe, and then this rubber seal is what seals the two together and holds them together. Alright, so now we're threading this one on. Silencer's in the middle so it doesn't vibrate around. Alright, now we got one more. Got this other silencer in. So hopefully got them in right so it doesn't vibrate and rattle around. Alright. So I was mistaken, this goes up top, and the part that bolts on that plastic panel goes down bottom, you'll see. And then this sits like that. The bolt hole goes right through that. Alright, get the cover back on. Just gonna lightly snug the bolts up before I tighten them down. Okay. I found a better way to get screws in. I don't know why I never see that before. There we go. Should be the last one. bolt-on the chrome pipe. Goes right up into the shorty. And there she is. She looks really good. Pretty pleased with how it come out. So yeah. Thanks for watching.